How to merge PDFs easily using online tool. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can merge multiple PDFs into a single PDF. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing is that you can open any web browser of your choice like Google Chrome or Brave browser also. So once you have successfully opened the Google Chrome, simply search for iLovePDF. Now once you will do, you will see a search result like this. So simply click onto this and it will lead you to the iLovePDF website. Now in the home page you might see at the top this option that says merge PDF. Combine PDFs in the order you want with the easiest PDF merger available. So simply click on this merge PDF button and then select PDF files using this select PDF files button. So simply click here and then you can choose your PDF files. So as you can see, I have these two PDF files. Let me open them so I can show you. So this is the first PDF file, and if I'll go back, this is my second PDF file, which is just a single image. So let us go back and choose both of them. Now then click onto the select option, and now you can see that both the PDF has been successfully in the particular interface. So you can also determine their order by dragging and dropping, and then click onto this merge PDF, and once that will be done you will see this message that says PDFs have been merged. So simply click onto this download merged PDF option and a file will start to download. You can click onto this open button once it downloads and view it using your inbuilt PDF viewer. Now you can see that both of the earlier PDFs have been merged into a single PDF. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.